Have you ever wondered why this character shows up as a sound component in all of these other characters? Those pronunciations don't seem to be very similar to sh, do they? Well, actually, that component in those characters isn't sh, it's this one, gua. So let me show you how that works. In the ancient script, those two components actually looked really similar to each other. Obviously, you can tell them apart, but there's a strong similarity. In the modern script, they look more distinct from each other as standalone characters, but because of their similarity in the ancient script, they've remained similar when they show up as components in the modern script. But I'm sure you can see that these pronunciations are way closer to gua than they are to sh. So whenever you see a character that has that component in it, ask yourself, is it really sh or is it gua? If you want to learn how Chinese characters really work, check out our top 8 tips for learning Chinese characters. It's a free 1-hour video training, and there's a link in the description of this video.